Hi everyone, it's Dr. Ozzy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before I talk to you about things that you should try to avoid or be careful doing at home with devices, today I want to share 3 rejuvenation devices that you could be doing at home that are safe and effective. So let's start with number 1, which is the LED masks. These are so popular. If you can't get into your esthetician's office and you want to do some light therapy at home, use the red light for skin rejuvenation and blue light if you have acne. Some LED masks, such as this one, will have both blue and red. And so if the combination of the two is a great way to rejuvenate your skin, and it's safe to do at home. Now, I want to caution, if you do have melasma or conditions that make you sensitive to light, sometimes these light devices may not be the best option. So just talk to your doctor and make sure it's the right treatment for you. So let's move on to rollers. These are so popular. You've seen people probably on social media kind of rolling their skin like this. Well, you can do a lot of things with these rollers. One of the things you can do is reduce puffiness. And by sweeping the skin towards your lymphatic drainage system, you can actually help reduce some puffiness that may accumulate on your skin. Now, if you also have kind of puffy eyes or dark circles, I would keep these in the refrigerator and use them to help with swelling under the eyes. So you can kind of roll them across, and this cooling effect will help reduce that puffiness that you may have, especially in the morning, because when you wake up in the morning, that's when you really notice it. And they make them in larger sizes if you really want to reduce things like inflammation from acne or just generalized bloating. Those are things that you can do. Okay, so number 3 would be at-home steamers. Now, I've heard of people actually boiling water in their kitchen and trying to steam their face that way. Okay, don't do that. You may cause a burn and it's just not safe to do. Some things you want to invest in a machine that actually has temperature controlled steam. Invest in a professional steamer. Because steamers are great. If you have a lot of clogged pore, dead skin, by steaming your face before doing a mask or any other at-home treatments, you help loosen up that dead skin and the skin that may be clogging your pores. And then you can cleanse your skin and put on a nice mask to continue your at-home skin rejuvenation. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe, and comment below or send me a message. Let me know what you want to hear next.